Looking at the Mini, you can see that the air is perfectly still. It's not buffeting. It's just pure hot, just pure heat. How long can the Mavic Mini take it? In the pure heat.
Afraid to turn out the lights? Is there something you're scared of? What's there out in the dark?
Hey, it's Dad Random, and I have got a really good test today. It is 112 degrees right now. 112. Can the Mavic Mini fly in 112 degrees? And if it can, how long can it fly? It's been as high as 115 today, and right now it's 112 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get her flying. So here we go. Yes, guys, Mavic Mini, can it take the heat? All right, here we go. Now, I just took the Mavic Mini out of the box, so it's room temperature, so it's going to be heating up.
Afraid to turn out the lights? Is there something you're scared of? What's there out in the dark? Make sure to keep all your windows locked. Do you surrender?
All right. So the Mavic Mini is flying now. And everything is normal. Man, holy crap, 112 degrees. Let's see until we get the first error. Of course, I've got the timer basically running at this point, and we'll see how long. The air is really still, as you can see, so. You can see if we're basically looking at the Mini, you can see that the air is perfectly still. It's not buffeting. It's just pure hot, just pure heat. How long can the Mavic Mini take it in the pure heat? Here, let's drop the camera down. There we go. Camera's looking at me. Hey, let's turn the camera on. Let's put some stress on her. There we go. Mavic Mini's got a working camera now, so of course, you're not going to be flying your Mini without a working camera. Oh man, it's hot. How long can Dad Random stand the heat? Should be the question. All right. Oh crap. Oh, there's Steve. Oh, of course, Steve is... guys, can you bring Steve back in, please? Hayden, you need to bring him in. It's 112 out. Okay? Yeah, he'll overheat, okay? You're going to have to grab him. Oh, boy. All right, so... Yeah, just took his... Yeah.
Afraid to turn out the lights? Is there something you're scared of? What's there out in the dark?
So the only thing that can take the heat is the drone. Steve can't take the heat, so Steve just over there getting angry. Okay, we're gonna bring her back down here. About 112 degrees. And Minnie's doing Minnie's got no problems with 112 degrees. So all right, 112. We still got 10 minutes on the battery. We haven't gotten a heat warning. We are about 6 or 7 minutes into flight, and we still do not have any kind of a warning. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and do a little flying really quick here. And watch me do some flying here, just to keep the craft moving. Aircraft processor. All right, here we go. So so about 6 minutes in, aircraft processor overheated. Power off aircraft. Allow aircraft to cool down before use. So here we go. This is the error message that I'm getting right here. All right, so it looks like about 7 minutes. That's not bad for the temperature. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take her down. Here we go. Let's go ahead and land the Mini. All right, aircraft chip. There we go. So we've got a overheat warning at about 7 minutes in, about 6 or 7 minutes in. Temperature wise, obviously I'm guessing we are in the 125 degree, 130 degree range. So I'm gonna go ahead and power off the Mini real quick. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and power her down right now. Power down. It's not letting me power it down. You can see the lights are still on. Oh, is it on? Let me see. Let me check. Jeez. All right, let's double check here. Nope. No, we did get powered down. So let's bring her out of the heat. All right. So about a 6 or 7 minute flight. Not bad at 112 degrees. Yes, dead random. Can the Mavic Mini take the heat? And my answer is yes, it can. But it can't take it for more than about, I don't know, about 6 or 7 minutes. And then, of course, once you get hot and you're in a hot climate, you're not going to fly one more time. So, yes, if you do have to make that one flight with those few basically precious minutes, you might want to take a cooler along with you. Someplace you can cool down both your batteries, your controller, your phone, and your drone. And that will allow you to basically deal with a hot flight. But it didn't auto land, which is nice. I like that. It gave me time, even with the hot processor, to decide where I wanted to land it, and it didn't take over control. It didn't take manual control of the drone. So for Dad Random and the Mavic Mini, yes. Later and bye.
Lie awake at night? Are you afraid to turn out the lights?